Hello students. Today we are going to start the topic the 19th century. The period is 1815 to 1914. The paragraph is on your screen and you can see as the paragraph says that the world changed profoundly means deeply in the 19th century. Economists identify three types of movement or flows with international economic exchanges, meaning international trade exchanges. These three types of flows are, you see on your screen, the, fir- the first one is the flow of trade, meaning flow of goods in the 19th century. The second is the flow of labor. That means the migration of people in search of employment. And the third one is the movement of capital for short term or long term investments over long distances. You see, all three flows were closely interlinked and affected people's lives more deeply than ever before. You see, even today, for any kind of trade or business, we need three primary things. That means goods, labors, and capital. Exactly, this is what economists noticed during the 19th century. Clear? You will find that the main center of trade was Europe during the 19th century. And you all know how it happened. It happened after the discovery of new sea routes to America and isolation of China from overseas trade. Okay, so our next topic is um, under this topic, our first subtopic is a world economy takes shape. Let me give you main points of the paragraph. As the paragraph says, the change was first noticed in food production and consumption in industrial Europe. Population growth, expansion of urban centers, and growth of industries had increased the demand for food grains in Britain and pushing up the prices of food grains. Okay, now move further. As a result, the government introduced corn laws under pressure from landed groups. Landed group means landlords and rich peasants. And under this corn laws, the import of corn was completely banned. You see on the screen. Corn laws. Okay. Clear? But after some times, industrialists and urban dwellers resented this ban and government was forced to abolish the corn laws. Let us discuss the effects of abolition of corn laws. The effect of the abolition of corn laws are as follows. Number one, after the abolition of corn laws, food could be imported into Britain more cheaply. Number two, British agriculture was unable to compete with imports. Number three, vast areas of land were left uncultivated, men and women thrown out of work. They flocked to the cities or migrated overseas. Number 4, food prices fell. Consumption in Britain rose. Number 5, in Eastern Europe, Russia, America, and Australia, food production food production expanded to meet the British demand. You see on your screen. Clear? Now, you can easily notice how different parts of Europe, America, and Australia got connected due to trade of food grains during 19th century. Growing agricultural production necessitated better and faster means of transportation further. Thus, railways, you can see, rail, railways linked the agricultural regions to the ports. New harbor had to be built, old ones expanded to ship the new cargoes. Clear? All these activities required capital and labor. Financial centers such as London provided capital and laborers migrated to America and Australia. And almost 150 million people left their homes, travel vast distances in search of a better future. You see. Clear? Thus, by 1890, on your screen too, you can see, thus by 1890, a global agricultural economy taken shape that was supported by changes in labor movement, capital flows, technologies. Southern Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Caribbeans provided low-paid laborers to the world. So this is how by 1890 a global agricultural economy taken shape. So the topic is clear. Any doubt? Now you see, let us see what role did India play when a global agricultural economy had been taking shape. Let me tell you. You see, though India was under British rule, but it too played an important role in shaping a global agricultural economy. A network of irrigation canals, you see, irrigational canals, canal colonies. Okay. A network of irrigation canals were built to transform semi-desert areas into fertile agricultural lands in West Punjab. You see. Right. Irrigation canals to transform semi-desert waste into fertile agricultural lands. Clear? Agricultural lands in West Punjab grew wheat and cotton for export. Such areas were called canal colonies. You see. Canal colonies. Thus, we can say that we can say that Sign of modern globalization, that means interconnectedness or movement of goods, labors, and capital, appeared visible during the 19th century. The world trade multiplied 25 to 40 times between 1820 and 1914. Nearly 60% of this trade comprised primary products, meaning agricultural products such as wheat and cotton, and minerals such as coal. That is why this connection or this global economy is called agricultural economy. Okay, so this topic ends here. In the next video, we will have another topic for discussion. Thank you very much.